Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how to run a Ubuntu Server VM with VirtualBox. This project requires VirtualBox up and running and Ubuntu Server ISO file. All the commands and the links will be available in the description. Why we use Ubuntu Server? Because in the next video we will install Kubernetes. Let's start. The first thing, you need to download VirtualBox. You need to open the site for VirtualBox and click the link. So you need to choose the system operation you use. I'm using Windows. So I click and they start to download. Save. And in the time they go to download, let's try to download the Ubuntu server. Okay, I put the Ubuntu server ISO to download. So let's go back. Let's open the VirtualBox file. Click yes. Next. Next. Yes. 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 This installation is straightforward. Okay, you have VirtualBox up and running, and I'm waiting for the ISO for Ubuntu server. I will come back when that is end. Okay, the download for the ISO file for Ubuntu server is done. Let's go back to VirtualBox and click in new. Okay, let's give it the name for this machine will be control. That's the folder this machine will be saved. Let's choose the ISO. Choose the ISO here and next. So I'll go to put in my username and a password. So after that, next, I will give 4 gigabytes and 2 CPUs for this machine. 2 CPUs for this machine. Next, the size I will leave it for 25 gigabytes. It's okay. Next, finish. They go start install the server. I go to open a little bit for you can see here. So they go to boot the machine. Okay, first thing is choose the language. I put English for me. Done. We want to the Ubuntu server, not the minimize. You leave the network like that. Non-proxy. Let's see with the packages for Ubuntu is done. Continue. You don't need to change anything for the driver. They will change, they will create like free space and you just press done because that's a brand new driver. They need to format. So just press done in here and continue. So I give them the name for this. My name is Thiago dos Santos. The name of the service will be control. The user IP is Santos. The password. Done. Skip the Ubuntu Pro. You don't need. You want to install open SSH server. Done. You don't need to choose anything. Select anything in here. And done. And let's install the system. When it's done, I will come back and continue the process with you guys. Okay, the installation is done. So let's start. Let's reboot this machine. When this machine is restart, let's change the network for bridge. So in the bridge, they go to have a IP from your network, so you can access use this IP to this machine. So let's back to the terminal and restart the machine. It's okay. So Santos, my password. Santos, my password. Have the access. So IP A to check the IP for this machine will be 1.180. So let's go to my terminal. So SSH Santos at 192.168.1.180. Yes, and one. So I'm in the machine now, and let's go sudo apt update with the password and sudo apt upgrade. Y and they go upgrade the machine. So they finish the upgrade. So okay, stop. Check. You have 2 cores. I have 4 GB, and you have 2 GB swap memory. So that's the way how you install Ubuntu Server VM in VirtualBox. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe this channel, and I see you in the next one.